Hi everyone! If you're looking to start selling your design on Teepublic, this step-by-step guide is exactly what you need. To get into print on demand without the headache of tweaking every single product, selling on Teepublic is, hands down, one of the easiest ways to start. They use this incredible upload once, sell on everything system that automates the heavy lifting for you. But before you rush in to sign up, you need to know this. Teepublic recently introduced a strict account tier system. If you don't understand how this works, your designs could end up completely invisible to the public. So let's walk through exactly how to set up your shop the right way to avoid the ghost tier. Let's jump right in with step 1. Create your account. First, head over to teepublic.com and click on Designer Sign Up. When you're filling out your details, make sure you choose a username that matches your brand, because that name is actually going to be your permanent store URL. And here's a specific action item. Immediately upload a profile picture and a banner image. Do not skip this. Teepublic prefers shops that look complete right out of the gate, and doing this helps your chances significantly with the account categorization process we'll talk about next. Alright, listen up, because this is honestly the make or break moment for your shop in 2026. We are moving on to step 2. Understand the account category system. Crucial. And I mean crucial. As soon as you sign up, Teepublic's algorithm places you in one of 2 tiers. You really want to be in the artisan account tier. That's the good tier where your designs actually show up in the marketplace search results. If you land in the apprentice account tier, you're basically a ghost. You won't appear in search and you'll have to drive all your own traffic. Since you can't manually apply for artisan, you need to prove you're legit right away. Upload high-res, original work. No low-effort AI dumps. And make sure you fill out that bio and link your social media immediately. All right, let's get you ready to get paid. We are moving on to step 3, set up payment. To do this, just head over to your profile, click My Account, and select Earnings. From there, you can choose your preferred payment method, either PayPal or Payoneer. Just keep in mind that Teepublic pays out on the 15th of every month for the sales you made during the previous month. So for example, everything you sell in January gets paid out on February 15th. Get that set up now so you don't miss a payday. All right. Now that the admin stuff is out of the way, let's get into the most critical technical part. Step 4. Prepare your files. Trust me. You do not want to upload a tiny image and realize later it's automatically disabled on high-ticket items like hoodies or tapestries because the resolution was too low. You want one master file that works for everything. Here is the golden rule for Teepublic. Save your design as a PNG with a transparent background. Keep your color mode in RGB. Don't worry about CMYK. Teepublic handles that conversion for you. And for the dimensions, set your canvas to 5000 by 5500 pixels at 300 dpi. Why this specific size? Because it's large enough to cover every single product in the catalog, from a small phone case to a massive wall tapestry, without ever looking pixelated. Get that file ready, and let's move on to the upload. All right, let's get your design live. We are now moving on to step 5, the upload process. Go ahead and click Upload Art in the top right corner and drag and drop that PNG file we just prepared. While that loads, let's talk metadata. You want a title that is descriptive but catchy. For your description, write just 1 or 2 sentences that naturally include your keywords. Think retro 80s vaporwave rather than just a list of words. Next is your main tag. This is your most critical SEO tool, so pick the single word that best describes your art. For the secondary tags, you can add up to 14 more. The trick here is specificity. Don't just use animal, use funny cat or cat mom. Finally, scroll down and look at the products. A pro tip here, you can click on individual items like mugs or phone cases to scale or move the design specifically for that product without changing the others. Before you hit publish, set your default background color to black or navy, since those tend to sell the best. Let's get this listed. By the way, if you want to see how I do niche research, how I prompt and generate designs, how I edit design, and how I upload to all of these platforms, then watch my How I Do Print on Demand videos. Now, moving on to a feature that really sets this platform apart. We are now at step 6, the sale price strategy. Teepublic is unique because your products are automatically discounted for the first 72 hours right after you upload them. So here is the strategy. You need to upload consistently. When a design is new and marked on sale, it converts much better. Make sure you utilize that 72-hour window to push your links on social media like Pinterest, Instagram, or TikTok while that price is low. All right, let's address the elephant in the room. Step 7. Dealing with the apprentice tier. If you log in and see this tag on your account, please do not panic. It is not game over. It just means you need to shift your strategy. Instead of relying on Teepublic's search bar, focus entirely on driving your own traffic from Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest. And here is the silver lining. When you bring in the customer yourself, Teepublic pays you a significantly higher commission. We're talking around 11% plus bonuses compared to the standard 4% you get from organic marketplace sales. So treat this as a motivation to build your own brand. If you prove you can bring in customers and keep your design quality high, there is absolutely a chance to get bumped up to the artisan tier later on. Finally, let's wrap this up with something crucial to keep you on the right track. This is step 8. Quick checklist for success. First, you have to do a copyright check. Never, and I mean never, upload trademarked content like Disney, Marvel, sports teams, or famous bands. If you do that, your account will be banned instantly. Second, niche down. Don't just make generic cool shirts. You want to make specific stuff like funny nurse shirts for night shift workers. Remember, specificity sells. And finally, volume. Aim for at least 50 high-quality designs to really start seeing traction. All right, so you're ready to upload, but you're stuck on what to design. You need a direction that actually sells. That brings us to our last step and most important section, step 9, to get you started. Here are 10 specific high-potential niche ideas for 2026. We've chosen these because they hit that sweet spot between high demand and specific, passionate communities. Let's break them down into 4 categories. First, the hyper-specific hobbyist. Number 1 is pickleball. It's exploded recently. Don't just be generic. Think pickleball grandma or puns like dink responsibly. Number 2 is Dungeons and Dragons humor. Target the forever DM or specific classes like a cleric who is just there for the healing vibes. Number 3, urban gardening. Target the plant parents who are guilty of having too many plants. Think Monstera mom with a cottagecore vibe. And number 4, book talk. The romance novel community on TikTok is massive. Designs about professionally dissociating into a fictional world crush it here. Next up, let's look at job-specific humor. Number 5 is night shift nurses. Dark humor wins here. Think slogans like, I run on caffeine and chaos. Number 6 is blue-collar trades, specifically linemen or welders. Focus on gritty pride and doing the dangerous jobs others won't do. Moving on to trending aesthetics for 2026, number 7 is goblin core. This is embracing the ugly cute. We're talking screaming opossums, raccoons, and frogs with a chaotic hand-drawn style. Number 8 is Japanese kawaii, vaporwave. Mix 90s technology, like old Windows aesthetics, with cute anime styles and neon colors. Number 9 is cryptozoology. Think local legends like Mothman or Bigfoot, but doing mundane human things like drinking boba tea. And finally, our last category, the event niche. Number 10 is family vacations or group trips for 2026. Even though you can't customize individual names easily on Teepublic, generic Girls Trip 2026 designs are great because one group can buy 10 matching shirts at once. So, pick one of these sub-communities, get specific, and start creating. I answer question. Comment down below.